Hi everyone, I hope you're doing okay today. I wanted to create a YouTube video. I got my hands on this. Can you see it? It's pretty bright. It's a Murad Start Bright Here set. So if you came from Instagram and you've seen sort of my Instagram stories, especially the last few weeks, I've just been asking followers just if they've got any recommendations. So if you can see here, I've got what I can only describe as huge like chunks of freckles that have all like lined up under both here. So when I've read up, it sounds like it's hyperpigmentation. So yeah, I thought I would give it a go. I got lots of recommendations on this. So the set comes with 3 different products. So you get the Essential E Cleanser, a Rapid Age Spot Correcting Serum, and an Essential C Day Moisturiser as well. So I have not opened these yet, so let's do it together. Okay, so this is just sort of a starter pack. They are quite expensive and I didn't want to purchase something that's, I think the main one in here that I really want to give a go, I think the full size is £75, so I don't want to commit to that if it's another product that doesn't work. So so yeah, these are the 3 different products here. So we've got I think you start with, yeah, so you start off with the cleanser. So it says to use it AM and PM, massage over dampened skin and neck. So it says to use AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, and then rinse and pat dry. So it is just, sounds like exactly what you do with a normal cleanser. This is the one that everyone was recommending, so really excited about using this little one. So this is the Rapid Age Spot Correcting Serum, and it says it's clinical strength, which is what I need by the looks of things. So again, it says to use it AM and PM. After the cleansing, massage evenly over face, neck and chest. Use a Murad sunscreen during the day. So I do have some SPF face cream, so I'll definitely use them. I think because it is just age spots, I'm not going to do it and waste the product all over my face and neck and chest if I don't have anything on here. So the main area for me is here, and I think I do have a bit here as well. So that's where I'm going to focus on. And finally, yeah, just a moisturiser. So again, after you've done those first 2 steps, just use a moisturiser. So I will put on, obviously, my after results. Hopefully they will be good, but I just want to do an honest review and let you know if it is worth buying those or not. But yeah, I will take a before photo today and I'm going to start this. I've seen a lot of reviews that say that they have noticed differences within a week or 2, which is amazing considering this is sort of, it looks like it's permanent damage. So fingers crossed, and hopefully there is some actual after results and it doesn't just look like this. And while I'm just jumping on as well, so I have tried in the last 30 days, I've been using this, which I got in a Look Fantastic beauty calendar, like an advent calendar thing from December. And just after I've noticed this more and more, and I thought, I'm in lockdown, let's like give it a go while I'm not using makeup as much. Let's just try something to reduce this, like the colouring down. And yeah, came across this. Everyone says on like blogs and things like that what to do for this, and it is using vitamin C. And it says, so this is an Emma Hardy sample. So again, it's another really expensive product, I think. So it reduces areas of dark pigmentation and areas of high colour. So yeah, I've give this a go for 30 days and I've not seen any difference at all. Hence why I've bought the Murad one. Had loads of great recommendations on it, and a lot of people have said within a week they've seen results. And I've just checked on the box as well. So the correcting serum actually says it reduces the appearance of dark spots, age spots and hyperpigmentation in just 1 week. So fingers crossed that's what it does, because that's what I bought it for. So we are 3 months on, just over 3 months from filming the Murad videos you've just seen. And also roughly around 3 months I think it is since I filmed my hair growth and what products I'm using just to try and grow my hair out. So wanted to give you an update on what's worked, what hasn't. So first off, that Murad stuff did absolutely nothing for me. Complete waste of money in my opinion. The day moisturiser in it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. It smells amazing. It's got SPF in it, which I always go for in a moisturiser for daytime. But apart from that, the cream itself and the serum to actually get rid of pigmentation did absolutely nothing. So yeah, I finished that bottle off, the full starter pack bottle of serum, and no change at all. I did move on to, I got some more recommendations for this brand. I think it's Eucerin. I think that's how you pronounce it. So I got the anti-pigment collection. So I got the day cream with SPF 30 in it and the night cream as well. So I've been using that for roughly a month and a half to 2 months now. And straight away, I'm talking literally within 2 weeks, started to see reduction in the hyperpigmentation. I'm not expecting it to fully go away. And I think I'm roughly, it feels like about halfway through these bottles. But yeah, I will put some before and afters here. Just on, you can see it because I've got makeup on now so you can't really see. But just on the progress so far. So these are a cheaper alternative to the Murad stuff I was trialing out. I actually got them while they're on offer as well. I'll put links below for all these products. But yeah, really, really rate these. And I will definitely be buying more. They've just been great. They smell really nice as well. Don't affect my skin, didn't break me out. So those are great. And then I also wanted to just give you an update on my hair growth. So as you can see, I mean, I should have really straightened it so you can see the full length. But the thickness is so nice. And you can see if I just do that, the sort of length already, and it's been like less than 3 months. Feels really healthy, growing really fast. Thickness is great. And I did show you in the hair growth sort of YouTube video I did earlier, I was using biotin tablets. I've got 2 left, so yeah, I'm nearly through 90 days of those, and those have really supported. And I've just been using scrunchies, so I will link below where I got this little beauty from, but I use that on a night, and normally just if I'm just in the house, if I'm on video calls and stuff, I will use this instead of a normal hairband. It just has no pull in it, so it's not going to pull hairs out, and it's silk, so it keeps things really soft and just looks after your hair a bit more. So yeah, just a great 3 months. I feel like I'm getting rid of this, the pigmentation. My hair's growing out really nice. So yeah, everything is on the up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this review. And if you've got any questions about any of the products or the progress that I'm making, please feel free just to put a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe.